piece I have made. This is, I chained 100 here, and then I worked the back loop as I'm going to show you in a while, and then we have to make 100 rows. So we need 2 pieces of this. This is back side, and we're going to make the front side, and after that we'll work the arms, which we'll see how we will achieve in a later stage in this video. Now we'll start with this, and I'll show you how to achieve it. Your first long project, what you need to know is that it's gonna take some time, as it is not easy to achieve 100 rows within a day or 2. You need at least a week if you crochet every day. So as usual, starting with a slip knot and then pull through, and I'll work 100 chain. So 1, we'll make sure they're not tight and they're all equal. So whatever I have done now was wrong, so slip knot, hold the threads, 1, 2, 3. So here I have finished my 100 chains, and I'll start working the first row, which is single crochet. So now we're starting normal with a single crochet. The real work will only start on the second row. So for the single crochet, alright, not the first chain, the second chain from the hook, you insert your hook in the chain, pull through and pull through all. You'll do the same for the next chain, and you repeat the same to the next chain and every chain till the end of your row. So starting this row, we did single crochet on the second chain from the hook and in every chain. Very simple and easy so far. I'll meet you at the end of this row to see how we're gonna work our second row. So here I finish my single crochet row, and now we'll start working the single crochet back loop to achieve this look of the top of the sweater. So now I will chain 1, and I will turn my work. So usually when you do a single crochet, you'll insert your hook inside the two loops, and then you pull through. But now what we're gonna do, when your work is facing you like this from the top, you will see the V's here. Okay, so there is one V, there is one loop and second loop. So we'll skip this first loop, which is here, this one, and we'll work only with this back loop. Means we'll insert our hook in the V, and we'll take it out from there and work our single crochet as usual. So now my very first one is a bit difficult because it's just near the chain 1, which is here. Okay, so I'll work it first and then I'll show you the rest. So I'll insert my hook in the V and pull through. Now you see this V, you insert the hook, pull the thread through and work your single crochet. All our work is gonna be like that. Inside the V facing you, back loop and and work your single crochet. Insert your hook in the back loop and work your single crochet. Again in the back loop and single crochet. You'll do the same until the end of the row. So basically what you need to do is this. For every row you chain one and you work single crochet in every back loop. The same what I'm doing now. You will do that for 98 rows. So 98 rows until you achieve the end of it. So this is all you need to do, and then we will see how we will work the arms and the measurement for that. So again, this is the back side and the front side is this one. We worked 100 chains, then we worked 100 rows length. So I'll meet you once I finish this piece. Okay, so I have divided the top of the two pieces to make the collar. So I left 20 stitches for the collar, and then I started sewing one side, and I'll show you on this video how to sew the other side. Also here I have stitched the first arm of the left side, and I'm gonna show you how to start stitching from the shoulder to the arms. So the stitching is very easy, just follow the lines of both pieces. Okay. Starting from my stitch marker here, I will make sure the stitches are aligned together. So I'll insert my needle here and I'll start making a simple sewing technique. Don't worry if your thread is not secured yet, because we're gonna crochet around the neck later on to make the right form or to finish the pattern. So again, I'll go on to the same stitch and I will secure initially my thread, and I'll continue the same through all the stitches. I'm done with the shoulder. Now I'll start working with the arms. I'll show you first how to align them together. So this is the shoulder worked, finished, and here I'm gonna insert the arm. Okay. So I didn't mention before, but I ironed my all the pieces separately before I started stitching, because I find it easier to stitch when they're ironed and flat, rather than, you know, all in different not sizes, but they're not well aligned together. So I have 26 rows. I will make sure that I have 13 rows on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So I'll start sewing on this point. Okay, so it's completed here. Now what I'm gonna do is start sewing my arms and going down onto the sides to sew together. So for the arms, I'll start sewing from here to close both sleeves, and from there I will go down to the sides and start sewing them together to complete my sweater. So here is my completed sweater. I'll explain to you before showing you the whole sweater. So I have stitched, as I said here before, to make the collar. Now what you can make a border or just leave it as it is like this. Here I have sewed the arms like I previously showed you, and then I went down this way to the sides to sew all together. Now this is not a short one, but it's a medium size. You can either make it longer or leave it as it is. So this is the sweater. Now I'm gonna show you all the details of it. Okay, so this is my sweater completed. I have done the arms here, and that's the collar over there. As I said, you can make a border or leave it as it is, it's fine. And then this is how big is the sweater. I think I'm gonna make it longer so it is on my thighs. For this it will cover your basin, this size, and the arms are half arms. It covers half of your arms. So this is the finished look. I hope you like it. It looks nice when you wear it, and all the details about the colors I use and everything you'll find in the description box. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.